Now this week we've learned more about the International School of Aruba. ISA's role within the community goes beyond providing English accredited education to students. Almost every family transitioning to Aruba from North America reach out to them first. Therefore, they lay down plenty of groundwork for the new residents of Aruba.
Sure. ISA serves the local business community because we take care of expat families and their children when they come onto island. When a parent applies to ISA, we not only have a great place for their kids that may be familiar following the same Common Core standards that they follow in the States, but we'll also tell them where the grocery store is and try to connect them with friends, and so that they have a play group and those kinds of things. And so we feel that we're a part of the ISA business community because we take care of the families when they bring in employees.
The International School of Aruba requires plenty of support from the community in order to operate as smoothly as it does. Reason being why, as they celebrate 85 years, they are hoping to give back.
One of the key pieces of this event is really a thank you to the people who have sustained the school over the years. 30 years ago, there were some very brave people who stepped up and made it happen, and then certainly 10 years ago. But also there are businesses, I was looking at, again in this yearbook and many other old yearbooks, but there's ads that show this. People like the Diario and the DVDV and Masi Frau have supported the school now for 30 years. And that's a wonderful thing for Aruba, and we just want to say thank you to the entire Aruban community and that's why we want the Scholarship Foundation, so we can share and give back.